Alright, welcome back to part 2, guys, on the G35 wide body build. So, I've done everything pretty much. All we're gonna do now is sand and paint, but I'm gonna just briefly run through what I did here. So, the whole gas cap area was like completely different. It was not, lined up at all. So what I did was I cut it, to the shape of the gas cap so it opens up just enough to where I can use it. And I made templates out of cardboard. I threw them away, but I made templates of this area, and then I used my old fender flare to create a structure underneath, and then made a base to mount these plastic parts. And I did it here too, just so it can match and make a consistent look. But so far that's what I did. Overall, the back, other than this, didn't need any trimming, and it just fit on there nicely. But we do need to get some more self-tapping screws so we can, put this all in, like here too. And we're gonna use a heat gun. I forgot to mention though, on the other side of the front, we kind of used a heat gun so that we can mold it better to the shape of the car. And we'll do that here too because there's kind of a gap. And also, in the future, we'll be putting like weather guard trim all around the edges of where the wide body kit meets the car, so that it looks a lot cleaner. But so far, this is what we did. It wasn't too hard, but it just took a while. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start sanding so that we can get to painting. But we're gonna take this off for painting, but for now we're gonna keep it on the car so that I have a, it's nice and stable for me to start sanding and get everything ready to paint. But yeah, for now you'll see me do some boring sanding work, but yeah. Alright, paint it. When you're painting, you want the ground to be wet. Let me show you. Get your big old bucket of water. There you go.